Why poor people stay poor has nothing to do with how much you earn, and everything to do with 7 invisible traps snapping at your ankles right now. And the scariest part? You might be walking straight into them with a smile on your face.
Traps? Till, I knew it. I felt something biting my wallet yesterday. Is it a crocodile?
Worse, Nova. It's habits disguised as normal life. Today, we're not doing boring lectures. We're going on a trap hunt. By the end of this video, you'll spot these traps, dodge them, and start building real wealth. And yes, this works whether you're in Mumbai, Manchester, Manila, or Montreal. Right then, if you're serious about building wealth from scratch and escaping the rat race, hit that like button right now and subscribe to Wealth Empire TV. Your next money move starts here. And if you miss it, well, that's on you, mate. Don't say I didn't warn you! This is interactive. You're not allowed to sit there like a statue. Grab a pen or open your notes app. We're playing Trap Hunter. Welcome to the Trap Hunter game. Your mission: identify which of the 7 traps you're stuck in and write down one action to escape it today.
I'm ready. I have my net. But then why does my net have holes?
Because your current system has holes, you chaotic gremlin. That's why the money falls out. Quick rule, I'm your mentor, not your lawyer. This is education, not financial advice. Numbers are examples. Your local prices may vary. Use your brain, right? Let's expose the traps. Welcome to the Trap Hunter game. Let's hunt down the first trap. Trap number 1, the status shadow. This trap tricks you into buying things to impress people who don't even care about you. You chase the shadow of looking rich while staying broke in reality. But Till, if I buy the shiny new phone, everyone will think I'm winning. Nova, if you buy rice for a month, you win. If you buy the phone and eat sadness for dinner, you lose. Global truth. Whether it's a branded shoe in Lagos, a fancy car loan in London, or a wedding you can't afford in Lahore, if it drains your future to feed the ego, it's a trap. Pause. Look at your last big purchase. Ask yourself, did I buy this because I needed it? Or because I wanted people to look at me? Be honest. If it's for show, you're in the trap. Are you done chasing shadows? Comment Wealth Empire below if you're ready to build real wealth, not just look like it. Welcome to the Trap Hunter game. We are on the hunt for money traps. Like this video to show you're breaking free and subscribe so we can grow this community into an unstoppable force. Trap number 2, the Interest Alligator. Debt with high interest is like feeding an alligator. You think you're in control, but every month the beast gets bigger and hungrier.
But the app said buy now, pay later. It sounded so friendly.
The alligator is always friendly until it eats your leg. Simple math. If you borrow 100 units of currency and pay back 150, the just worked for free for the bank. You are renting your life at a terrible price. Imagine you have a bucket of water, your income. The alligator is a hole in the bucket. No matter how much water you pour in, if the hole is there, the bucket stays empty. You must plug the hole before you fill the bucket. Do you know someone feeding the alligator? Share this video with a friend stuck in debt, yet your share could save their financial future. Do you subscribe for more game-changing strategies to slay the beast? Trap number 3, the magic button. This is the lie that wealth happens overnight. Crypto scams, gambling, double your money in 24 hours.
But my cousin's friend's neighbor won big on a game last week.
And how many people lost? For every winner, there are 1,000 losers paying for his dinner. Rebellious truth. Real wealth is boring. It's planting seeds and waiting for the tree. The magic button is for people who want the fruit without the farm. Don't be a tourist in your own financial life. It's planting in your notes. I build, I do not gamble. If you've ever clicked a get-rich-quick link, forgive yourself. but never do it again. Type this in money bag emoji in the comments if you're choosing real wealth over magic beans. Share this with one friend who needs to stop chasing shortcuts and start building. Share this. Number 4, the leaky pocket. You're not broke because of one big mistake. You're broke because of 100 tiny leaks. Small fees. Trap number 4, the leaky pocket. You're not broke because of one big mistake. You're broke because of 100 tiny leaks. Small fees. Trap on new subscriptions. Daily snacks you don't need. Data packs that expire.
But Till, it's just a small amount. It doesn't matter, does it?
But Nova, if a mosquito bites you once, you itch. If 1,000 mosquitoes bite you, you collapse. Global example, that small daily drink or snack costs 50 units.
50 times 30 days equal 1,500 units. 1,500 times 12 months, 18,000 units. That's not small. That's a new laptop, a course, or an emergency fund. 50 times
The
30.
5-unit challenge. Open your bank app or wallet. Find one leak you can plug today.
Cancel it. Stop it. Comment below what you found. Just write "I found a leak." Then write the name of your leak. Cancel
Which
it.
trap is biting you the hardest? Comment your biggest takeaway below. Like this video if you're taking action.
To block the leaks, and subscribe to the Wealth Empire TV for weekly wealth upgrades.
Trap number 5, the crab bucket. This isn't about money, it's about people. When you try to improve, some friends or family might pull you back. Trap number 5, the crab bucket. This isn't about money, it's about people. When you try to improve, some friends or family might pull you back. This is the crab bucket trap. They mock your saving. They call you stingy. They say, "Why are you changing?" This is the
My friends laugh when I bring lunch from home. They say I'm no fun.
Nova, listen to me. Crabs pull others down because they're stuck. If you want to climb out, you don't need their permission. You need a new circle. Practical move. You don't have to fight them. Just be quiet about it in silence. Let your results make the noise. Are you ready to climb out of the bucket? Comment Empire below if you're ready to turn small money into big wealth. Let's see how many future millionaires are watching right now. Trap number 6, the fear anchor. You know what to do, but you're scared. I might lose money. I'm not smart enough. What if it fails? So you do nothing. And doing nothing is the most expensive choice of all. This is the fear anchor trap, Nova. But Till, what if I invest and the market goes down, or my side hustle fails?
Nova, if you stay at the dock, you're safe, but you'll never catch any fish. Rebellious advice: start small. So small that failing doesn't hurt.
Invest the price of a meal. Start a hustle that costs 0. Action kills fear. Motion creates emotion. You can't steer a parked car. Want more strategies that start with little to no money? Smash the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a wealth building tip from Wealth Empire TV. Trap number 7, the time for cash trap. This is the final boss. Most people only know one way to make money: trade hours for cash. But you have limited hours. You cannot work 25 hours a day. If you stop working, the money stops. That is a trap. I am trying to get it. So I should quit my job, Till? No, you chaotic bean. You use your job to fund your escape. You build assets, things that pay you while you sleep. A small business. No. A digital product. A dividend stock. A rental room. Even if it starts tiny, it breaks the link between your time and the money. Think of it like planting a mango tree. At first, you water it for free. But one day, it gives you fruit every year without you asking. Your future self will thank you for planting trees today. Subscribe right now for more secrets on building assets with low to no money and turn knowledge into real wealth. Right. Let's recap the 7 money traps keeping people poor. 1. Status shadow. Stop impressing ghosts. Right. 2. Interest alligator. Kill high cost debt. Magic button. No shortcuts. Build slowly.
4. Leaky pocket. Plug the small holes. 5. Crab bucket. Protect your circle.
6. Fear anchor. Start small, but start. 7. Time for cash. Build assets, not just income.
Till I was in 5 traps. But now I see them. I can dodge them.
Exactly. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be aware. Spot the trap, step around it, keep moving. Wealth isn't a destination. It's a game of avoiding traps and building systems. Now, it's your turn. Pick one trap you're escaping this week. Write it down, tell us in the comments. And remember, knowledge is power. Use it to build your empire. You are not poor because you're unlucky. You're just playing a game with hidden traps. Now you have the map. Building an empire doesn't happen by accident. If you learned something valuable today, like this video and subscribe to join the Wealth Empire TV family. Welcome to Wealth Empire TV. Today, trap number 7, the time for cash trap. Don't just watch, act. Like, share, and subscribe to master the money game. Welcome to Wealth Empire TV. Today, trap number 7, the time for cash trap. Don't just watch, act. Like, share, and subscribe to master the money game. Real wealth builders take action. Drop a fire emoji in the comments, share with your network, and let's grow this community.
I'm off to plug my Leaky Pocket and cancel that snack subscription. That's my student. Go cause a financial rebellion in your own favor. I'm TIL.
This is Nova. You're watching Wealth Empire TV. See you in the next one. Cheers. This is Nova.